So I got this Amazon waxing kit and I was just about to use it, but I figured might as well review it. I'm actually really scared to do this. I've been putting this off for a while. I got this in about 2 weeks ago and I've been growing my hair out ever since, so we're almost at caveman level. I'm embarrassed to even show you guys my armpits right now. I heard that your hair needs to be the size of like a grain of rice, but right now we're looking at basmati, so I'm sure we're good. This is the full wax warming kit, so obviously this is the actual wax warmer. I wanted to do a hard wax kit with the hard wax beads, so obviously these are included. And there are 2 bags of this one. I just figured I would just show you the 3 because there are 3 different kinds here. This one is formulated for all over use. We have one for brows and face. And then we have this guy. This is for the bikini area. This is made for coarse hair, so I feel like this is gonna work best on everything. I don't have like really thin hair, so I can't imagine that this one would work, but I guess we'll try both. I forgot to mention that this also comes with pre-wax oil and post-wax oil. So one's to clean your skin before you wax, and then the other is to hydrate after. And then it also comes with tongue depressors to spread the wax on. I am so nervous. I've never had my armpits waxed before. I've had a bikini wax twice and it was the worst pain in my life. I'm not sure how high this temperature should be on the wax warmer, so I just made it like the midway point. So I'm gonna use the blue wax beads because I just want to see overall how this pain level is gonna be, and I want to get it right the first time. I'm really scared that the pink ones are just not gonna cut it. And it's finally starting to melt down. This wax says that it's sea salt and surf scent, but it smells very mentholy. So it's supposed to be at the consistency of honey, which I think that we're at. So I'm gonna spray on the pre-wax clean. Okay, so you're supposed to rub this in and then pat dry. I'm so nervous, you guys. So you're supposed to apply the wax in the direction of the hair, which is up. Oh shit. Ooh. Messier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, that dried really quick, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. And then you're supposed to wait 30 seconds until it dries. Oh, 30 to 60 seconds. And allow the wax to harden. It's ready to remove as soon as it's no longer sticky. All right. Okay, so you're supposed to flick the edge of it up so that you have something to grab onto. Oh my god, it's like really in there. I probably should have overshot it a little bit so that I had more to pull on. So you're supposed to pull your skin taut and then rip. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, how do people do this? Oh my god, guys, I don't even know if I can do it. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to bring an ice pack up here. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Look at that though, guys. This really works. Holy shit. Oh my god, look how long my hair was. Oh, that was so painful. I genuinely don't know if this was worth the pain. I think I might just be shaving from now on. I wonder if there are numbing creams for this. Like, I feel like there has to be. Okay, so I looked it up and it looks like a Bonal Liposomal Numb 520. Looks like the top search. So I'm gonna do that for next time. But let me know what works for you guys, or if you even use a numbing cream. I just cannot imagine doing this again without it. I will say, I don't know if I'm applying this thick enough because I feel like it's like ripping as I'm pulling. Although it is also working by just moving slowly through it. It is pulling the hairs out. And it actually feels kind of better going slower, which, I mean, in my opinion, maybe it doesn't for other people. Maybe you just want to do like a quick rip, but... But yeah, that is nuts. It is pretty satisfying to look at it. Okay, I have to show you guys this one because I've been better about doing the thicker strips. Look at all that hair. Holy crap. Also, don't mind my nails. They look gross. I will say that this got a lot easier halfway through. I think once I was starting to get used to the pain and after my armpit was already raw. But I did add that numbing cream from Amazon. So when that comes in, I'm going to do the other armpit with the numbing cream and then try the waxing again. And then kind of give you guys a side-by-side. I feel like that would be pretty helpful. So I'll leave this next part to future Annie. Alright guys, I am back. Also, I used a new foundation today, so that's why my skin looks pretty dark. I mean, I guess it's not like too bad, but just giving you a heads up. So the numbing cream finally came in today, And I did not expect it to be this small. But yeah, so I waited 2 days for this to come in. So I have one shaved armpit and then one hairy armpit. But guys, this armpit, I wonder if I'm like semi-allergic to like the wax, because it's given me like razor burn vibes. But I'm also really sensitive to scents, so maybe it's the scent in the wax that I have a problem with. I'll have to look up to see if there's any that don't have scents. So let me just read the instructions real quick for this. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to apply this on pretty thick, and then you're supposed to cover it with saran wrap and then leave it on for 20 minutes. All right, well, I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about a half an hour. My skin feels funny, so it must be working. So I'm gonna go in with the pre-wax oil. Yeah, I can definitely feel the numbness. But if you want it like super numb, I was reading a lot of reviews and a lot of people were saying that they left it on for an hour. Oh, I'm so nervous all over again. Oh, I can definitely still feel it. Ouch. Yeah, so it definitely still hurts, but not as much as I remember it from last time, so it definitely did something. I also feel like I have the consistency down a little bit more for the wax. I feel like before it was a little too, not watery, but it was definitely a lot thinner than this. This is more of the honey texture that they were talking about, and I do notice a difference. I feel like the other one, it just wasn't removing the hair as fast. I still just cannot believe the hairs on here, like full like white tip and everything. I wonder if this also hurts less as time goes on because your hair just winds up getting thinner and thinner, because my hair is so thick. Right, we're finished. Now I'm doing the post wax oil. A little bit of wax on here still. I have to say that definitely wasn't as painful as the first time, but still pretty painful. But yeah, do let me know if there's a trick that you guys use, if there's like a certain numbing cream that works really well. I do think that I probably just need to put it on for longer. I will say though, I do like the look of a wax armpit. So I probably will continue doing this. I mean, it just sucks in the moment, but the payoff is just so much more. And I have such thick hair that once I shave, it's like 5 o'clock shadow immediately. So I think it's worth it. I'll definitely add this to the Amazon must-have list. Let me know what your Amazon must-haves are, and maybe I'll do another review of a product. This was pretty fun. Fun for being very painful. Oh, I also wanted to say that I did try the pink beads. So this is the overall wax. I used this on my legs and I really liked it. The hair on my legs isn't as thick as my armpit hair, but it worked really well. I just wanted to make sure that I stated that because in the beginning of the video, I said that I was gonna show me using both. But yeah, all in all, I would say that this was a really good wax kit. So this is the Kahlua wax kit. Also, these hard waxes you can buy separately. These are more like, not like a sample size, but they're a lot smaller than the size that you get when you order them single. So this one is the Kahlua Wax Bikini Babe. And you can see the difference in the size. This was $21, which I think is definitely well worth it. It's like 10 times the amount of this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this style video. I know it's a little different than my normal content, but I'd like to do more of these. Not necessarily a wax review, but just another review video, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm a little delirious after the pain of this. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.